Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. It's been a while since I've done a video, but I need to get back on this project. One of the last videos I did, I had Jack down here and he was helping me weld this railing together. And my mother is out of town for a week. So it is Saturday, so I'm going to try to surprise her by having at least one of the two railings installed by the time she gets back. So it's a chilly Saturday, but we are down here at the shop. Gonna run some time lapse and do a little welding and see if we can't get this fabbed up before she gets home. So stick around. Thanks for watching. Okay, so they may not be the prettiest welds, but they're definitely strong. So I was just grinding down some of the welds Jack had done and saw a couple spots that needed a little more welding. So went ahead and did that. Goal for today is to get this basically the frame of the railing cut and welded together. That way I can take it to the house and set it in place and make sure all our measurements are right on. I don't want to get too far and realize, hey, it's 2 inches too short. So I do have the measurements laid out on the welding table, so I can do a rough fit right here, but can't substitute for putting it in place and making sure it fits. So that's what we're going to keep working on. All right, guys, well, we got set up. We're gonna do a little welding now. I am using this new welding helmet from Yes Welder, and having a little trouble. I'm having to turn out the lights. It almost seems like it is too sensitive, and my LED lighting is causing the shield to darken. So I'm turning off one set of lights, and I just kind of have to look straight ahead or down. Otherwise, it darkens on me. So I've got it all the way to the lowest sensitivity. So not sure what's going on with that, but we'll keep trying. Otherwise, it's got great view when I'm welding. So we'll just keep playing around with it. All right, it is getting to be about 4 o'clock now. It's Saturday. I unfortunately have to work tomorrow, and so we're going to load this up into the trailer and take it over for a test fit. Make sure I'm happy with how it looks before I start putting in all the styles. This is going to be part one of the video series. Going to work on this a couple hours every day after work, and hopefully have this done by Thursday and installed to surprise mom. So thanks for watching. If you made it this far, keep an eye out. We're going to have some future videos. Probably do some short form videos of just 2 hours here of work. How far along did we get? Day 2, day 3, day 4, etc. So yeah, let's go see how it fits. Thanks for watching.